Dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. Let's start discussing about time management skills for BBA second semester in the subject of managerial and soft skills. You already know about time. Time is very precious. So managing your time well can help you improve your career. Organizing each day help you to complete work on time. So time is defined as the duration in which all things happen or a precise instant that something happen. So these are some examples where time mismanagement is there. You have to manage your time properly. So time management skills, all you have to work on schedule, avoid distraction and finish projects on time. Many persons feel overwhelmed by all the demand, distractions and interruptions of working day. So time management is very important skill to have in modern workplace. Now in this slide, time management is the process of planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activities. For example, look at your daily task and determine which are important or not. It is the ability to use time productively and efficiently. In the next slide, why we need time management. Time management related with to save time, reduce stress. It will helpful for performing your duties properly. So time management helpful for regarding how you make a balance between your professional life and personal life. If you are performing things well, then that will improve your life outside of the office or within the office. So managing your time effectively, having strong time management skill can help accomplish your goals and be more efficient worker. So that can be clear from the tasks which are more urgent, not urgent, and to which task you have to perform better. So time management, it is the ability to use your time properly and how much time you have to devote each and every activity according to the things. Time management skills, organize each day, each time effectively. So these are the and these are some time management skills regarding goal setting, prioritization, self-awareness, focus is there. So time management skills related with how you manage your time properly, how you perform your things effectively. So effective management skills don't just benefit your professional life but as well as personal life. First thing is goal setting. So goal setting related with how you make a daily to-do list. Next one is prioritizing. Under this management skills, you have to ask few questions. What is your priorities? How you can make a balance between time and company resources. That is the most important job where you can decide how much time you have to devote on each and every activity. Next one is self-awareness. So self-awareness related with how you understand your own likes, dislikes and needs. So when you are having on high level, you are self-aware, self-actualization is there. So it's the best thing you can tailor your needs according to the situation. Then self-motivation. Motivation, how you motivate yourself, how you feel energetic to perform the things on time. So motivate reflects in our actions. Lack of motivation actually result in more pressure, more stress. So when we are in pressure or stress, it's impossible to manage the things properly. Then focus related with how to do multitasking. If you are focused, if you are determined how to what to perform, how to perform, then all type of distortions, all type of problems can be removed efficiently. And very important thing is planning. So whenever you have to manage your time, you have to draw an action plans. You have to decide dependent independent activities. One task cannot be started until and unless that task is finished. You have to prepare a proper schedule of the activities. Failure always lead to next success. Then next one is delegation outsourcing. If you try to perform each and every activity at your own self, then ultimately this will create problem for completion. So you have to delegate your work. Effective time management skill is knowing the right person to perform the task when the time is to delegate the authority. The next one is communication, a more important part. How you want to perform the things, what you want from others, and how you can perform the work to the desired standard in the fastest time. So if any errors will occur, then how who can raise the issue and how quickly you can manage the things. Stress management, when more work is there, then that will create pressure will create stress. So some stress is good for motivating you to perform the things on time, but if stress is affecting your performance, then you need time management to manage the things. So stress is not a good thing. And next one is record keeping helps you in further references. It can help you to record or movement every activity in a proper way. So when you record the things, whenever you need the information, you can easily avail the information. So it minimize your wastage of time can minimize. And be patient. Patience is a skill. You have to wait for the right moment when to perform the things, which things you can't ignore, how the things you can manage. So do not make a rush to perform each and activity at every step. Then in the conclusion, time management is very important task. You it is, if you want to better lifestyle, then you have to manage the things properly. In the end, time management is everything. Under natural condition of things, on a normal flow of movements, how you can perform the things. So in the last, manage your time properly, perform your things properly, and having a good time management skill will create a balance between your profession and personal life. Keeping this in view, have